On a busy afternoon, a client suddenly walked into our office with his keyboard CTK7000. Little did we know, it was not just any ordinary keyboard to him. The keyboard was completely burnt and melted in some places due to overheating. Nevertheless, our technicians tried their best to fix it and were successful in getting it to work properly. The keys were all functioning smoothly, and when the client got his keyboard back, he was overjoyed. The keyboard was not just a regular keyboard to him, but also a cherished memory. He started playing some music and we all listened, feeling refreshed. It seems that there was an issue with the burnt carbon line, causing it to become completely dry and resulting in no sound. Initially, the solution was to repair all carbon contacts on the PCB. However, upon further investigation, it was discovered that all 4.7 volts zener diodes had dry soldering, which was causing a lack of signal transmission. Therefore, even though the carbon line was fixed, the connection was still incomplete due to the dry soldering on the zener diode pins. Properly soldering the zener diode pins resolved the issue of incomplete connection. And we're proud to have helped our client restore a cherished memory and provide exceptional service to those in need. At our office, we're dedicated to solving technical issues and providing the best solutions for our clients. If you're ever in need of technical support, visit us at our office or contact us via phone 9477422,267 or email casioCapitalelectronics@gmail.com. We're here to help you with all your technical needs. Thanks for watching.